Hello and welcome to this series of short Caddie video tips. The series covers a wide range of tools and techniques, with each video focusing on one specific area. In each video we will highlight the results you can achieve, the commands to use and any top support team tips you may have missed. Welcome to this short Caddie video guide in which we'll create a plan, elevation and model for a two-car garage. And here we have the garage complete with shaded walls, piers, up and over door and personnel door, and the AEC dimensions too. So let's take a look, see how we can create this with Caddie's AEC tools. We're in the build tools here in Caddie Professional. We'll choose the wall command and we have a standard shaded wall which is going to be 100mm thick. Well, OK to that. We'll start drawing our wall and we see that as we draw in plan it actually generates the 3D model too, so we can simply click around our walls and then close at the end of it, and we've got our elevation and model created as well. We can select our walls and just double the thickness using the grips, so we can pick on those. We can also add dimensions in with the AEC dimensions, so these are automatically generated. We don't need to create these independently. These are based on the walls that we've actually generated within our model. So we'll drop in the AEC dimensions. Having got that far, we want to put in the wall piers. So we'll choose our wall, we'll choose the wall and break in this case. There are a number of ways of doing this, but we're just going to choose to break the wall here, and then that segment of wall there we're just going to make into a pier. We have the AEC dimensions, which we need to just add in the extra components there, and then we can do the same on the other side of the garage. So just breaking the wall, taking it back, just building it out, and then adding in the extra components with the AEC dimensions. We can also choose from the AEC dimensions different options for our AEC dimensions, so we can add in the chains too. We'll now add in the doors. So here we have a garage door, so this is an up and over door. We're going to indicate it based on the centre moving outwards. So we'll just choose the centre of our wall here and then to the edge of the door, and we can just toggle through till we get the opening that we wish. So we can then move on to our personnel door. So we'll use the same tool, but this time with just a standard door and toggling through till we get to the opening that we wish. We can also move our AEC dimensions out, so if we need to, so they're very easy to move and reposition. We can then start to look at adding in our roof. So we'll add in the roof. This time we're going to go for a bonnet hip rather than the gable or any of the other styles of roof. So we have a pitch, hip height, and the base height. So this is the hip height for the bonnet, and this is the base height for the roof. We'll auto detect and extend the walls to the gables too. So we'll literally drag over our building, which will auto detect. We can then just choose where we want the hip to be, choosing the wall afterwards to get the wall to automatically trim to our roof. And we can do the same thing on the other side, and that completes the plan, model and elevation of our two-car garage. Discover many more Caddie tutorial videos on the Caddie software channel on YouTube. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for frequent news and updates. And why not download your own evaluation copy and try out Caddie for yourself? And whilst you're evaluating, you can get free help and advice via the live support on the website or through the numbers given on screen.